Hello everyone, this is Caitlin Martin and I am piloting the Letters Alive program at my school. We are looking into getting it for all kindergartens, all special education programs at my school, so that's K through 3, and all reading teachers. It is a program that starts with letters, letter sounds, different things like that, and it can build all the way into building words, building sentences, forming different types of sentences, and all of those things. So it's a very great program with augmented reality. Who is it for? It's instructional for pre-K to K, which means that there's lesson plans that go with the program. Intervention for 1st through 3rd, all ages for ELL and special needs students. So over here, if you look at this picture, these are some of the things that it comes with. So it comes with an alphabet chart, which you can put up in your classroom. It comes up with the zoo it shows you the numbers. Each number tells you almost how you're going through. The zoo is going to be how you're going through your lessons. Letters that can go up on your board or on your wall. These are the letter cards. Each letter has a different animal and it has a different name to each animal. So there's like Amos, alligator. They make sure that they go with the letter. There's the blends and digraphs. There's the words for the sentences. And then there's the endings right here. And it comes with the system that helps you project onto your board. And then it also comes with the Zookeeper's teaching guide. That's a very helpful resource that helps you with different things that you can do with your students. What skills the students will learn is they learn their letter naming, punctuation skills, letter sounds, reading comprehension, phonemic awareness, vocabulary skills, phonics skills, listening, vocabulary, letter printing, basic colors, word and image association, animal facts, word building, social emotional skills, sentence building, and animal habitat facts. So again, these are different things that you could be doing. This is a student that's actually making out the sound of the letter that goes with this, and this is Frankie Frog. These are different activities you can do, a student using the board, and then this is Amos Alligator right here on the screen. So with that being said, I have a video for you to watch. It goes through different aspects that come with the Letters Alive program.
So here we are, excited to tell you about a brand new reading program called Letters Alive, using the latest technology of augmented reality, which is 3D without glasses. So why did we develop Letters Alive? It's to answer a big challenge that we have with teaching our youth to read. A majority of our 4th graders, when we test them, we find out are reading below grade level. So we need to help them. Right, Gertie? Right. So Letters Alive is going to come to life in the classroom. Teachers and students interacting with the animals, learning phonemic awareness, phonics, sight words, hey Tommy, concepts of print, and building sentences. So, and it also addresses all the different learning styles. So learning to read is going to be fun and engaging for our digital generation. And so at the end of the day, when you ask your kids, what did you learn? They won't say, nothing. So stay tuned to watch a minute of Letters Alive. Percy.
Well, the program's just been great. We're always looking for a way to engage our students, tie in active learning with reading, and so Letters Alive has been great for us. We've used it in the regular ed setting, and we've used it with students who need a little extra boost, some remedial activities, and this has excited everybody, and when they're excited, they're learning, they don't even know it, and we're getting positive results at the end of the day.
So this right here in this picture is the students putting one of the letters on the board. And it's making the peacock show up. It shows how the peacock shows their feathers. You can show that it makes the letter sound. There's different buttons you can click on the bottom of the board that go with the letter sound. It'll name the letter. It'll name the animal. It'll make the animal say that sound again. Very interactive for all students, and all students can do this activity.
When teachers and students use the 26 animal cards, students will gain awareness of the letters of the alphabet and the phonetic sounds the letters represent.
The letter E.
E is a dolphin.
The letter C.
Students will develop an understanding that letters are the building blocks of words using the letter cards.
The letter T.
So this is a time when you're using the program that you can separate it into the letters. You click onto a certain program, it's the orange icon, and that'll make it so that you have all of the letters on there. So when you put them together, it'll help them sound it out as they go over the letters, and then it'll help them put the whole word together so they can figure out the word is cat.
My kids went crazy for it. They went up to the board trying to touch it. They wanted to be a part of it right away. They took control of their own learning because they wanted to use the cards, make them, the 3D images come out. They were just beyond excited.
Big.
The 94 sight word cards teaches students how to combine words to make sentences.
Down.
Walk.
Will walk.
The quail will walk.
And it's just seeing the motivation, the students are just really excited about reading and just coming to school with excitement, not just, oh, today we're going to open a textbook, but actually interacting with, live emotion with reading and just the excitement in their eyes.
What if I said, can the elephant eat? Then he's going to start doing something, which means it's a verb. Who would like to form a new question?
And when a student creates a complete sentence, the animals respond to the action or color card to give the students instant feedback.
Can. Eat. Swim. Fly.
The thing that's very nice about this program is that you can build a sentence just like they did, the giraffe can, and you have all these different words. You can do swim, fly, jump, walk, different things like that. And the thing that's nice is that if it's something that the animal cannot do, they'll shake their head no. If it's something they can do, they'll either nod or they'll do the activity. So if it asks if they can jump and they can jump, maybe they'll jump on the screen or maybe they'll nod for you. If it's something they can't do, then it's going to be something that they'll shake their head no at you, and that means that the kids will see, not just by the fact that you're knowing that a giraffe can't fly, it's telling you right now that he cannot fly.
Walk.
First graders and kindergartners and all kids in general love animals. And if there's any way to bring them all in and really motivate and engage them, it's to talk about animals. So we did the bear is blue. Even though it was a silly sentence, you could continue to change the color word and have the kids practice reading the bear is red. What a great technology piece to practice repetition.
White. Green. Black. The bear is black.
Letters Alive contains a full year's worth of curriculum with daily plans, short stories, and activity sheets to reinforce what the students are learning. And teachers can monitor students' progress through individual assessments.
We have English speakers of a second language. We have a lot of those in our school, and I think it's great for them because of the vocabulary and the visual that they can put it together and actually see.
So the other thing that's nice that comes with the program is there's this video card that's right here. If you put the video card on the same screen as you do one of the letter cards, so this one is the iguana card, if you put it on at the same time, it'll give you a continuous loop of a 15 to 30 second clip of that actual animal moving in the wild, and it'll give you the sounds that you hear too, which I think is a great addition to be able to actually see what the animal looks like in real life.
what a real animal looks like.
We get a lot of children who don't speak any English when they come. So that, I have a little girl in here that has very minimum English. But they say she doesn't speak very much, but when she comes in here, she speaks. Because I asked her about this and she wants to talk about this. So she's really liking it.
So as you can see, this is a program that I think is very beneficial for schools and with kids. I think this is something that would be a great help to students that have special needs, or students that just need to learn their letters and they don't know it, or it's hard for them to pick it up. You're giving them different ways to get at the material. I think that if you need any more resources, they have the Letters Alive website that's right here. You just go to the AliveStudioCo.com and you can go through this. You can see the classroom, you can see different things. What we're going to be working on for next year is we're going to be getting the Letters Alive Rug Alive, which the kids can use iPads and they can go over the rug and see the animals. I just think that this is a great resource, and I think that anybody that's working with like pre-K, kindergarten 1, even all the way up to 3rd grade, if you still need help with kids being able to build sentences or knowing their blends or their digraphs or being able to know different facts, I think this is a great program. I think that we need to look into it for more grades than just what we're looking for right now. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to ask, and I will be more than willing to help you. Thank you. Bye.